So, best part about working out every day is that when I wake up like around 5 a.m., I normally work out like 5 to 6 p.m. And that the thing that, I really wait for the most is, having my workout with Denise. Because end of the day, I mean, like, working out every day is really boring, guys, to be honest. It's really boring. And the best part about having a partner, which I really suggest to find a partner, a friend, or a buddy in the gym, is that they help you motivate in terms of working out every day. And at the same time, they push you. And to be honest, when you look at what I'm doing right now, it's kind of easy because, like, it looks easy, but to be honest, it's kind of hard. And this is all coming from Denise's workout on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, keep pushing, guys. Be great.